Hey guys, so I'm coming back to you with something a little different. This is what I love to do. I like to go and thrift at different shops. I found this beautiful velvet black dress, which was never worn, from my local consignment shop for only $12.49. So here I purchased some gold appliques from Amazon, which I'm going to place around the dress. It's going to change the look of this black dress. It's going to go from basic to just bad, bougie, and giving everything it's supposed to give. So watch as I transform this black dress. Very, very super easy task to do. If you have something in the closet that you can, revamp, take your time, put on some music, and just glue away.
Rolls Royce, Lamborghini,